Oh, what's up, everyone? If you're still rocking the iPhone 15 Pro in 2026, you know it's still one of the best phones Apple has ever made. But a phone is only as good as the gear you pair it with. Today, I'm breaking down the top 15 must-have accessories, from the thinnest power banks to high-speed Thunderbolt docks, that will make your 15 Pro feel brand new again. Let's dive in. On number 15 is Carveit magnetic wooden case for iPhone 15 Pro. The Carveit magnetic wooden case combines a soft TPU shockproof frame with a handcrafted wood back, giving the iPhone 15 Pro both protection and a unique artisanal look. Its MagSafe compatible magnets allow wireless charging and accessory use without removing the case, though the wood slightly reduces magnetic strength compared to Apple's official cases. The laser-engraved incomplete compass design adds personality and elegance, with natural wood grain variations making each case unique. Build quality is solid, offering good grip and reliable drop protection for daily use. In real-life scenarios, it performs well, though the wood can show minor marks over time. Compared with competitors like SkyEagle Ultra Hybrid, it prioritizes style and craftsmanship over maximum magnetic strength. Overall, it's ideal for users who want a stylish, durable, and MagSafe-ready case, and I'd recommend it for everyday protection with a premium look. On number 14 is FNTCASE for iPhone 15 Pro. Case. The FNTCASE clear magnetic case protects the iPhone 15 Pro while keeping its original design visible with anti-yellowing, crystal-clear materials. Its built-in MagSafe magnets allow seamless wireless charging and accessory use without removing the case. The rugged TPU frame with corner airbags provides strong drop and shock protection, while the included screen protector adds extra display safety. Build quality is solid, with precise cutouts and raised edges to protect the camera and screen. Compared with similar cases like SkyEagle Ultra Hybrid, it offers nearly equal protection at a lower price, though premium cases may stay clearer longer. In real-life use, it's lightweight, easy to grip, and performs well in everyday drops and scratches. Overall, it's ideal for users who want a protective, clear, and MagSafe-ready case, and I'd recommend it for daily use. On number 13 is OtterBox iPhone 15 Pro Clear Case. The OtterBox Defender Series XT offers rugged, military-grade protection for the iPhone 15 Pro, shielding it from drops, bumps, and dust with its dual-layer construction. Its MagSafe-compatible design allows wireless charging and accessory use without removing the case. The case includes raised edges around the screen and camera, plus port covers to prevent debris buildup, enhancing everyday durability. Build quality is solid, and the included lanyard attachment adds extra security against accidental drops. Compared with slimmer competitors like SkyEagle Ultra Hybrid, it prioritizes protection over minimalism, but remains comfortable to handle. In real-life use, it performs excellently for active users, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts. Overall, it's perfect for those needing maximum defense with MagSafe support, and I'd highly recommend it for rugged, everyday protection. On number 12 is Ailun Privacy Screen Protector for iPhone 15 Pro. The Ailun 3-pack. Privacy Screen Protector is designed to keep your iPhone 15 Pro display private by blocking side-angle viewing while maintaining clear front visibility. Its 9H tempered glass offers solid scratch resistance and everyday drop protection, and the included camera lens protectors add extra safety without affecting photo quality. The dynamic island-compatible design ensures full functionality, while touch sensitivity remains smooth in daily use. Installation is made easier with the included alignment frame, though minor bubbles can occur if not applied carefully. In real-life scenarios, the privacy filter works well in public spaces, with only a slight reduction in screen brightness. Compared with standard clear protectors like SkyEagle's, it trades a bit of clarity for enhanced privacy at a lower price. Overall, it's a great value for privacy-focused users, and I'd recommend it for commuters and professionals who want extra on-screen security. On number 11 is TGLAN Camera Lens Protector for iPhone 15 Pro. The TGLAN Camera Lens Protector is designed to protect the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max camera lenses from scratches, cracks, and everyday damage using 9H military-grade tempered glass. Its one-step installation tray makes alignment quick and beginner-friendly, reducing bubbles and placement errors. The HD transparent glass preserves photo and video clarity with no noticeable impact on image quality in daily use. Build quality feels sturdy, and the invisible, flush fit adds protection without increasing camera bulk. In real-life scenarios, it holds up well against keys, dust, and accidental bumps. Compared with Spigen's lens protectors, TGLAN offers similar protection with easier installation at a more affordable price. Overall, it's ideal for users who want reliable camera protection without affecting photography, and I'd recommend it for everyday use. On number 10 is POAQCIF Magnetic Power Bank for Portable Charger. The POAQCIF 26800 mm Magnetic Power Bank is a powerhouse travel companion for the iPhone 15 Pro, designed for users who need several days of battery life away from an outlet. Its standout feature is the massive 26,800 mAh capacity, which can recharge an iPhone 16 Pro roughly 5 to 6 times. The build quality is a cut above plastic alternatives, using an aluminum alloy shell that provides a premium feel and superior heat dissipation during 15W wireless and 20W wired fast charging. While the magnetic N52 array ensures a secure snap-on connection, the unit's 11.3 O's weight and 1.1-inch thickness make it better suited for a bag than a pocket. Compared to a compact competitor like the Anker 622 5K, the POAQCIF offers over 5 times the capacity, representing excellent value for those prioritizing raw power over portability. Overall, it is an essential tool for long trips or outdoor adventures where multi-device charging is a necessity. On number 9 is Vilive iPhone 15 Pro Charger 30W Type-C. The Vilive 30W USB-C fast charger is a robust charging solution designed to meet the high-speed power demands of the latest iPhone 16 and 17 series, providing up to 30 W of output via Power Delivery (PD) 3.0 technology. A standout feature is the included 10FT USB-C to USB-C cable, which offers exceptional reach and has been tested to withstand over 18,000 bends, ensuring long-term durability for home or office use. In real-life performance, it efficiently charges an iPhone from 0% to approximately 65% in just 30 minutes, significantly outperforming standard 5W and 20W adapters. The build quality is solid with flame-retardant materials and built-in safety protections against overheating and overvoltage, though it is slightly bulkier than premium competitors like the Anker Nano 3, which utilizes GaN technology for a more ultra-compact form factor. While it lacks the brand prestige and miniature footprint of Anker, Vilive provides superior value for money by bundling a high-quality, extra-long cable that most competitors sell separately for a significant additional cost. This charger is ideal for power users and travelers who need a reliable, all-in-one package that works seamlessly across iPhones, iPads, and Samsung devices without the hassle of short cords. I would highly recommend this product for those seeking a practical, high-performance charging kit that prioritizes utility and reach over pure portability. On number 8 is Ouotoo 3-in-1 charging station for Apple. The Vilive 30W charger provides rapid power and includes a 10FT cable, making it a highly durable and flexible choice for single-device charging. The Ouotoo 3-in-1 station serves as a sleek magnetic hub that organizes and charges your iPhone, watch, and AirPods simultaneously. While Vilive focuses on high-speed utility and long-distance reach, the Ouotoo prioritizes desktop aesthetics and multi-device convenience for Apple users. Both products offer excellent value by delivering premium performance and 15W 30W speeds at a fraction of the cost of name-brand competitors. I recommend the Vilive for those needing a long-cord solution and the Ouotoo for anyone looking to simplify their daily charging setup. On number 7 is THREEKEY for MagSafe charger. The THREEKEY QI225W charging pad is a high-performance 2-pack kit designed to deliver the fastest possible wireless speeds for the iPhone 16 and 17 series. Its most unique feature is the built-in active cooling fan, which prevents thermal throttling and keeps the phone significantly cooler than standard chargers during heavy use. The dual pack offers exceptional value, including 2 6.6FT braided cables and 2 45W wall adapters, providing a complete setup for 2 rooms at a competitive price. When compared to the official Apple MagSafe charger, THREEKEY provides faster sustained speeds through active cooling and includes essential accessories that Apple sells separately. I recommend this product for power users who want maximum charging efficiency and battery health protection through advanced heat management. On number 6 is ESR OmniLock 25W MagSafe Car Mount Charger. The ESR OmniLock is a high-performance car charger designed for the iPhone 16 and 17, delivering peak 25W wireless speeds via the new QI 2.2 standard. Its standout feature is CryoBoost active cooling, which uses an internal fan to prevent the overheating typically caused by GPS use and fast charging in a warm car. The mount offers exceptional stability with its reinforced aluminum vent hook and powerful N52 magnets, ensuring the phone stays secure even on the bumpiest roads. Compared to competitors like Belkin, the ESR provides better value by offering higher sustained speeds and active cooling at a more competitive price point. I recommend this for frequent drivers and commuters who need a reliable, fast-charging mount that protects their phone's battery health during long trips. On number 5 is LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount. The LISEN 2026 MagSafe Car Mount is a rugged, non-charging holder built to secure the iPhone 12 through 17 series using an ultra-strong 24-magnet array. It features a unique 360-degree rotating extension arm that improves visibility and prevents your phone from blocking air vent flow or overheating during the winter. The build quality is a major highlight, utilizing a scratch-resistant zinc alloy body and an upgraded steel hook that fits 99% of horizontal and vertical vents. Compared to official Apple mounts, LISEN offers superior adjustability and includes extra magnetic rings for non-MagSafe phones, providing much better overall value. I recommend this for drivers who need a rock-solid, vibration-free mount and prefer using a separate cable for charging to keep their device cooler. On number 4 is JOYROOM Motorcycle Bike Phone Holder. Mount. The JOYROOM mount is a heavy-duty security solution for motorcycles and bicycles, designed to hold 4.7 to 7 smartphones without blocking the camera. It features a unique one-click auto-locking mechanism and vibration-dampening silicone claws that protect your device from road shocks and scratches. The military-grade build and secondary safety lock ensure the phone stays stable at high speeds, while the tool-free clamp allows for effortless installation. Compared to expensive brands like QuadLock, it provides superior value by securing any phone model without requiring a specialized or proprietary case. I recommend this for riders and delivery workers who need a rugged, one-handed mount that keeps the camera free for recording or facial recognition. On number 3 is Reukdnv Magnetic for iPhone 15 Pro Case. The Reukdnv magnetic case is a slim, military-grade protective cover for the iPhone 15 Pro, featuring an aerospace-grade aluminum 360-degree rotating kickstand. It utilizes 48 N52 magnets to provide a rock-solid MagSafe connection, ensuring accessories stay attached even during vigorous movement or fast charging. The case excels in real-life durability, passing 5,000-plus drop tests with air-cushioned corners and raised bezels that protect both the screen and camera lenses. Compared to the premium Taurus Ostand, it offers nearly identical functionality and a sleek, translucent finish at a significantly lower price point, providing excellent value. I recommend this case for users who want a versatile, hands-free viewing experience and rugged protection without sacrificing the slim aesthetic of their iPhone. On number 2 is Elago iPhone 15 Pro Case. The Elago Liquid silicone case is a minimalist protective cover designed to mimic the premium feel and aesthetic of official Apple silicone accessories. It features a soft-touch exterior for a secure grip and an internal microfiber lining that protects the iPhone 15 Pro from scratches and minor impacts. In daily use, the 4-layer shockproof design and raised bezels provide solid protection, though the grippy texture can occasionally attract lint or dust. Compared to Apple's official version, Elago offers virtually identical quality and a wider range of colors at less than half the price, representing fantastic value. I recommend this for users who want a slim, sophisticated case that feels high-end without the premium price tag, though MagSafe users should look for the magnetic version. On number 1 is SkyEagle iPhone 15 Pro Wallet Case with Card Holder. The SkyEagle case offers a versatile 2-in-1 design that combines a slim, magnetic inner shell with a full-sized PU leather folio for maximum utility. It features a high-capacity card holder with RFID blocking technology and a powerful magnetic attachment that allows you to detach the phone for easier handling. In daily use, the carbon black finish provides a professional look that resists fingerprints, while the built-in kickstand makes hands-free viewing effortless. Compared to premium leather brands like Shieldon, SkyEagle provides a more affordable, vegan-friendly alternative with identical detachable functionality and great value. I recommend this for people who want to replace their traditional wallet and enjoy the flexibility of switching between a protective folio and a slim case. That wraps up my top picks for the iPhone 15 Pro this year. All the links to these accessories are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which of these is going on your wish list. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.